What are common TEAS system problems for trademark applications? Imagine spending time preparing your trademark application only to find it stuck in limbo or not showing up where it should. That can be frustrating, right? When using the Trademark Electronic Application System, or TEAS, to file with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, some common issues can pop up. These problems can slow down your registration process or cause confusion. Let's look at what these issues are and how to spot them early. One frequent problem is technical glitches in the system. Sometimes, after filing, your application might not appear in the trademark status and document retrieval system or the trademark electronic search system. You get a receipt with a serial number, but the application isn't visible online. This has been reported since early 2021 and is usually due to software issues on the USPTO side. The office often has to manually enter these applications to fix the problem. Another common technical issue involves electronic signatures. When you sign your application online, especially if you manually type the owner's name instead of selecting it from a drop-down menu, the signature link can fail. If the mark drawing type requires uploading a file and you don't do that correctly, it can cause delays. Sometimes, the system experiences outages or glitches, which can temporarily prevent submissions or cause errors during the process. Application content errors are also quite common. For example, if you incorrectly identify the owner of the trademark, your application might get delayed. It's important to accurately state who owns the mark. Misdescribing goods or services is another frequent mistake. If you list labels when you actually use the mark on wine, the application could be refused. You need to be precise and only include the actual goods or services connected to your mark. Expanding or broadening your list of goods or services after filing isn't allowed. You can only narrow the scope. Also, if your mark conflicts with an existing trademark that is similar in appearance, sound, or meaning, the USPTO might refuse your application. These conflicts happen often when the marks are used on related products or services. Filing with the TEAS Plus option requires strict adherence to the USPTO's rules. You must choose goods and services from the Acceptable Identification of Goods and Services Manual. If you don't, your application can be rejected or delayed. The newer Trademark Center system, which works with TEAS, offers features like saving drafts and sharing, but it also needs correct user roles and ID verification. Misunderstanding these features can cause submission issues. Finally, manually entering owner information instead of selecting from the drop-down menu can cause processing errors. These small mistakes can add up and slow down your application. Understanding these common TEAS system problems helps you stay alert and avoid delays. Always double-check your application details, follow the USPTO's instructions carefully, and keep an eye on your application status. If you encounter technical issues, reaching out to the USPTO TEAS support team is the best way to resolve them quickly. Being proactive can help you move smoothly through the trademark registration process.